Hello, this is Oxford. You can see this is a very high altitude of a Gulmarg. You can see this is called really a paradise on earth, and this is a meadow of flowers, a beautiful chairlift. So we came here so you can enjoy yourself, merge yourself in this monument view. It seems to be this paradise on earth, and it is. That's why it's called paradise on earth. And because of due to some bad clouds or mountains, you can see there's a lot of monument views. And enjoy yourself. You can see a lot of crowd is here. And shepherds, and also you can see a horse here enjoying themselves. Monuments and admirable and addictive view it is. Don't miss this. These are really astonishing and daring moment it is. So this is a way for you to entertain yourself and pay thanks to God who have bestowed this precious gift without any warning and without any language. Enjoy yourself in every moment of life. You can. For a long time I came here, so don't miss this opportunity. A beautiful chairlift which is going from Gulmarg to mountains and touch it on the apex of mountains in every way of life. You can see someone is calling us to come and ride on horses. Then you can see admirable view. It is soothing, and it calls us to entertain and don't let it go. By the way, in every way of life, you can see it's not due to bad clouds, and here is a lot of chilly moments. This is a really heart-touching moments which touched my heart and takes a lot of gas to enjoy yourself in every way of life. Constantly, it seems to be a great area and a great greenery evergreen moment it is. So you can see a lot of moments. Enjoy yourself constantly. You can put your internal left or boredom and or worry of your mind and free from your psycho diseases. Make your own words and merge yourself in a great moment for you to change the way you had attitude. So you can see every here and there in every nook and corner of Kashmir. You can enjoy yourself. Don't let it go. Enjoy constantly. We make ourselves. This seems to be slavery life of internal. Just left the boredom. This is a paradise on earth. Every way of life. You can see adventures, lovers come here and take and snow-clad glaciers, mountains, and mesmerizing view of Gulmarg Valley, which calls you to come and don't miss it and relish the way in every way of life.